departing, everyone wants to go home to cozy beds, right? So how about we head home to a home in Kanchipuram, where builders Hiranandani have just completed their first phase of properties and had actors Shriya Saran and Simbu hand over the keys to the proud owners. Imagine a beautiful spacious house with its own clubhouse, hotel, healthcare center. Sounds like a palace, no? Well, it is a palace, but an affordable one. Indian real estate giant Hirco opened the first of the 10,000 apartments being built at the Hiranandani Palace Garden in Kanchipuram. And to hand over the keys to the new residents were actors Shriya Saran and Simbu.
These are the ground plus 3 buildings that we've got 11 of such buildings, and we've got 2 buildings ready which we're handing over to our customers. As you can see, each apartment and each building is an item, not just a home or a house, but something of very creative and something very innovative and something very beautiful. And that's how we want to keep it for all our buildings, that each building, both from inside and outside, are pieces of art. And those who live there will enjoy not just living inside the house, but also looking at it from the outside.
Over the last 6 years, Hiranandani's rapid expansion in the creation of townships has been a huge success. Now, in Chennai, the credibility of this company is a prime reason why many people want to own a property.
I'm from Bombay, so I was really attracted by the Powai project. I have seen Powai in those years where it was only the IIT and the LNT there, nothing else. But now if you ask people Powai, it's synonymous with the name Hiranandani. So I assume, I hope that in maybe 5 years' time, this will also be like that, something like that, the whole project. And I can proudly say that I'm a resident of Buckingham Palace Gardens.
No wonder they say home sweet home, huh? Well, whether you love your home or even music perhaps, romance is definitely in the air. Earlier in the week, we experienced a romantic rendezvous between Tamil Sangam literature and Indian classical music. Black and white, Western and classical, Anil and Sharan. Opposites attract. The talented duo, actually a trio with B.S. Purushottam, have taken Carnatic music to a whole new level. This time again, their latest album sways melodiously between Western notes and classical ragams, signifying the journeys they've made in their own lives. With Tamil poetry woven into the melodies, Taranam cast a magical spell.
சின்னஞ்சிறு பெண் போலே சிற்றாடை உடுத்தி.
This particular album came about specifically because we wanted to do something which was devoted to classical Tamil, because that has been our sort of lifeblood of most of our work, and we wanted to do an album which is entirely Tamil content, especially in this specific month which is being devoted to the Classical Tamil Conference and so on. And we wanted to do something, our contribution and our effort for it, and as I said, something that we both consider sacred and special.
Shri Durgai
After a lot of debating and squabbling over which poems to choose, Anil and Sharan fell back on classic Tamil Sangam literature, their mutual love. And this did give them a solid perspective.
Probably the toughest part was to choose which song should go into the album and which should be left out, because there's so much of lovely poetry available in classical Tamil, and Tamil has always been our favorite language, so we end up doing at least 80% of our repertoire in Tamil, be it albums or live shows.
Am I a mere play toy in your hands? நான் ஒரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா?
The evening's performance had theatre personalities P.C. Ramakrishna and Karthik Kumar read the English translation of the poems. A selection of songs were performed from the album, such as Nanoru Vilayattu Bommaya and Kannan Marugendra Neram.
பொம்மையா நான் ஒரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா நான் ஒரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா ஜெகன் நாயகியே உமையே உந்தனுக்கு நான் ஒரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா ஜெகன் நாயகியே உமையே உந்தனுக்கு
Even die-hard Carnatic classicists melted.
பொம்மையா ஜெகன் நாயகியே உமையே.
The basics have not changed, but there is definitely an improvement. It's different from a very conventional Carnatic music. But I'm a lover of very conventional Carnatic music, but I could recognize from the piano playing the ragas. I don't know how he has brought about the melody in piano is something very great.
பெண்ணவளின் கண்ணழகை பேசி முடியாது பெண்ணவளின் கண்ணழகை பேசி முடியாது பெண்ணவளின் கண்ணழகை பேசி முடியாது.
And at the end of the performance, people walked out saying unanimously,
very dreamy, the music, and yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I still cannot forget the poem about that doll. What a beautiful evening it was. Now here's your chance to go get yourself that new CD because we're taking a break on Shift Focus, but come right back. Every human's animal instinct is captured by this scintillating performance at the Music Academy.